Hi students, welcome to Real Numbers Part 10. Applications of Euclid's division algorithm in this exercise. Third problem. What is the problem? Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p, 3p plus 1. 3p, 3p plus 1. See, it is also most important problem and very easy. See what is given here. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer. They are telling the square of any positive integer. What are the positive integers? Square of any positive integer. What are the square numbers? 1, 4 is a square number. 9, 16, 25, 36. Yes, there are some square numbers up to first 6 square numbers. Yes, here this is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. We should show whether it is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. See, 3p or 3p plus 1 means what is 3? Here divisor. Here also 3 is a divisor. And here what is the remainder in 3p as per if you write in the form of division algorithm a will be q plus r. Here the remainder is 0. Here the remainder is 1. That means if you divide the square numbers by third table, always you should get remainders either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. See, shall we check for these numbers? Are we getting like that or not? See, 3 is a divisor, 1 is a dividend. 3 0 times 3 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. Here 3 1 are 3. Remainder is 1. 9 3 3 are 9. Remainder is 0. If I take 16, perfect square 16, if I divide by 3, the remainder is, quotient is 5, the remainder is 1. If I consider 25, a perfect square, a square number, if I divide this 25 by 3, 3 8 is 24, the remainder is 1. If I take 36, next square number 36, if I divide 36 by 3, quotient is 12, the remainder is 0. See, if you observe, in every case we got remainder either 1 or 0. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. That means if you divide any square number by 3, we get either remainder either 0 or 1. So this, by taking examples we proved. But how to use division algorithm? How to use division algorithm? In exam also, if you forget how to solve this method, write these all divisions in the form of division algorithm like this. For example, if you take 1 can be expressed as 3 into 0 plus 0. If you take 4 can be expressed as 3 into 1 plus 1. If you take 9, 3 into 3 plus 0. If you take next to perfect square 16, 3 into 5 plus 1. See, if you take the 0 1 3 5 as p, this can be written as 3p plus 0. This can be written as 3p plus 1. This can be written as 3p plus 0. This can be written as 3p plus 1. See, by this what you understand? The square of any positive integer of the form either 3p or 3p plus 1. See, for example, if you forget in examination hall how to solve this question, better solve like this by some examples and write conclusion. Then you will get at least 2 to 3 marks. Okay, don't worry. Now, how to solve in using Euclid division algorithm in a proper manner? That means in a systematic way according to textbook. Okay, shall I erase? Now normal method, textbook method. So common dialog we have to write, that is let a be square of any positive integer. let a be square of any positive integer. Let a be square of any positive integer. Now apply division algorithm for this. See what is divisor here? 3. Yes, because 3p plus 0, 3p plus 1 form is given. So by applying Euclid's division lemma, Euclid's division lemma, division algorithm, with a is equal to, sorry, with a and b is equal to, what is the divisor here? 3. It is a divisor. Then according to formula, according to statement, it becomes a is equal to 3q plus r, where r is lies between 0 and 3 because divisor is 3, including 0. Then what are the possible values of r here? Can you guess? What are the possible values of r? 0, 1 and 2 because lesser than 3. So the possible values of r is equal to 0, including 0, 1, 2. Okay, now check the, now we have to check the cases like a previous problem. In second problem, how we check it, like that we have to verify whether for r is equal to 0, is it in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1 or like that. Okay, now what is given actually? A is equal to 3q plus r, there we got, but they asked to square of any positive integer. So find the square of a. How to find? So square on both sides. Square the value of a, then we get a square is equal to 3q plus r whole square. A square is equal to 3q plus r whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square or not? Is it in the form of a plus b whole square? Yes. Now what is the formula of a plus b whole square? Do you remember? You have studied in earlier classes, 7th, 8th classes. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we have to apply this formula. Highlight this formula. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is equal to 3q, b is equal to r. Alright, a square is equal to a square, according to formula, 3q whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 3q into r plus b square, r square. Simplify. So a square is equal to 9q square plus 2 3 are 6 into qr plus r square. This is one relation. Now consider this relation as 1 and now substitute all possible values of r in this relation. Substitute all possible values of r in this solution. We will get a solution. It will be very easy. Okay. Instead of checking for r is equal to 0, so by substituting and squaring on both sides, instead of that, if you square on both sides at a time for the general form, it is easy. Okay. Now checking in case 1, r is equal to 0. Put r is equal to 0 in 1. Then it becomes a square is equal to 9q square plus 6q into r value is 0 plus 0 square. That means a square is equal to 9q square and this total becomes vanished. That means 9q square. This 9q square can be written as, is it multiple of 3 or not? Yes. Why I am writing in the multiples of 3? Because our required is either 3p or 3p plus 1. So that I have write that result in the form of multiples of 3. Okay. So 3 into 3q square, 3 into 3q square, and this can be written as 3p, where p is equal to 3q square, where p is an integer. Okay, it is for r is equal to 0. See, we got 3p form or not? Yes. Okay, for r is equal to 0, it is satisfied. Therefore, a square is in the form of in the form of 3p. Now check in case 2, if r is equal to 1, what are the possibilities of 0, 1, 2 now? So here 0 completed, now 1. R is equal to 1. Then a square is equal to 9q square. This one we should substitute in equation 1. 6q into 1 plus 1 square, that is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Now see, we are writing in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1 now. Whether it is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is also divisible by 3 because 9, 6 are the multiples of 3. But is it divisible by 3? 1? No. So that take 3 as common factor from these two terms. So then it becomes 3 of, taking 3 3s are 9. So 3 2 are 6. So 2q. 3 3 are 9q square plus 3 into 2 6q. According to distributive property plus 1. Yes. Now consider this 3q square plus 2q as some letter p, where p is equal to 3q square plus 2q. 3q square plus 2q. P, where q is an integer, so p is also an integer. So here also we got for r is equal to 1, which form we got 3p plus 1. So we can say that in this case a square is in the form of 3p plus 1. Is it? Yes. Now case 3. Check for r is equal to 2. If r is equal to 2, again then a square is equal to, substitute r value to in equation 1, and a square is equal to 9q square plus 6q into 2 plus r square, 2 square. Now see, simplify it. 9q square plus 6 to the 12q plus 2 square, 2 into 2 4. Now check whether all the terms are multiples of 3 or not. 9, yes sir. 12, no, yes sir. 4, no sir. Then 4 can be written as, you are right, sum of two numbers such that we should get 3 now here. So write 3 plus 1. So then it can be written as 9q square plus 12q plus 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. Now observe, first 3 terms are multiples of 3 except last term, that is 1. Now it can be written in this form. Take 3 common factor, take 3 as common factor, then it becomes 3q square plus 3 4 are 12, 4q plus 3 1 are 3, and we cannot take 3 as common factor from this one. So write close the bracket here itself plus 1. Now this we can consider as one single letter. Take it as p. In this case, where p is equal to 3q square, 3 of, I think it is not visible, 3 of a square is equal to 3p plus 1, where p is equal to this one, where p is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Now see, it is a square also. In this case also, the general form of a square is as 3p plus 1. Yes, in all cases we got either 3p or 3p plus 1. If what can you say? In this case a square is in the form of 3p plus 1. See, now all cases satisfied according to the condition. So that what can you write conclusion? So by above case, from above we observed that square of any positive integer of the form either 3p, if they were 3p or 3p plus 1, again 3p plus 1. So write like that and conclude hence showed, and then you will get full marks. Okay, understood? So these type of problems are most important for board examinations. So prepare well. Okay. Thank you.